Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to record your screen on a Windows 10 laptop using the built-in Xbox Game Bar. Whether you're making a tutorial, capturing gameplay, or just saving something on your screen, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Start by opening the Xbox Game Bar. You can find it quickly by typing Game Bar or Xbox Game Bar in the Windows search box, then click to launch it. Originally designed for gamers, the Xbox Game Bar works just as well for recording tutorials or any other activity on your screen. It's a versatile tool that saves you from installing extra software. Before recording, make sure the content you want to capture is ready on your screen. Then press the Windows key plus G to instantly bring up the Game Bar overlay. In the capture panel, click the record button to start. Everything visible on your screen will now be saved until you stop the recording. If you need extra features like editing or live streaming, you can also try third-party apps such as OBS Studio, Bandicam, or Loom. These tools give you more options beyond basic recording. One of the best things about the Xbox Game Bar is that it's already built into Windows, so you don't have to download anything. You can also open the settings menu to adjust audio, quality, and hotkeys to match your preferences. And that's how you record your screen on Windows 10. With the Xbox Game Bar, you can start recording in seconds without installing extra software. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the settings to make the tool work best for you.